So finally we are starting to install our SAP server. So what we will do right now, we will stay in the terminal. I will clear the terminal. So let's do that, clear. And right now we want to make sure that we are already in our installation folder. So I'm currently inside of there. I'm inside of my folder where I have my install sh file. And what I will do, I will just execute that install sh file. So I will type the install sh and press enter. My host name assumed to be SAP compliant, so hit enter once more, and we get the license agreement again. So we should read through that, and if you agree, only then you should proceed. Okay, so when you have read through whole the license agreement by pressing enter, as you can see, I was pressing enter too many times, but at the end you get a question, do you agree to the above license terms? And you should type in yes in order to proceed further with the installation. So then hit enter, and we should provide our password. Again, type down my ABAP 777 password. You can type down some different password, but I just want to keep it as simple as possible, so I use the very same password, so ABAP 777. This password will be used for all operating system users, so you don't have to care about it if you will use the same password for all of them. So hit enter, and suddenly our installation process is running. So we should wait until installation is done. And after about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, this is what we were waiting for something like this. Installation of NPL successful. NPL is our name of our server. So this is the very good news. Our SAP system is already installed, and we have to do one more setting for port forwarding in order to run and start our SAP server. So let's move to another lecture because we are so close from starting SAP server.